What's up guys, Charles Yamabe here with a quick question for you. I want to see who's going to be in San Diego September 14th through the 16th. I will be going to KAABOO Festival, there it is, KAABOO Festival in Del Mar, but I'll be staying in San Diego. So if you have anything you want to tell me about San Diego, if you know anything cool to do, anything I should see while I'm there. I've been to San Diego before, but I didn't really get a chance to see that much because it was for a wedding, so it was that kind of thing. But I will be at KAABOO Festival September 14th to the 16th, so if you're going to be there, let me know. If you're going to be in the area, let me know, because I'd love to meet up. If you're asking yourself, what is KAABOO Festival? KAABOO Festival is a festival, number one, but it's also it's a lifestyle festival. So it's all about the food, the drinks, the bands, awesome bands, really good comedians. You have basically bands and comedians from the 90s all the way till now. Old school bands, like, old school, from the 90s, like TLC, who else? Earth, Wind & Fire, like, I'm pretty excited to see Earth, Wind & Fire, but you have some comedians like Louis Anderson, which, I mean, I was a huge Louis Anderson fan back in the day. People are like, who's Louis Anderson? But no, he's awesome. Who else? Kevin Nealon's going to be there. That's pretty exciting as well. So it's a really cool festival. But it's September 14th to 16th. It takes place in Del Mar Racetrack in Del Mar. I'll be staying in San Diego, like I said. If you have anything you want to let me know about San Diego, or if you're going to be there, please let me know. You can follow me on Instagram, because I'll be doing live stories the entire time from 7 a.m. when I wake up to get on my flight. Oh! Another fun part of the story. So there's also a bachelor party going on that same weekend. I'm meeting up with the bachelor party here in Chicago. We're going to fly to San Diego together. They're going to do some of their bachelor party stuff at KAABOO Festival. I'm going to be doing media stuff, so I'll be doing photography, interviews with my wife as well for the first time. She'll be doing interviews and media with me, which is crazy because we've never worked together in that aspect, but it should be pretty awesome. But we'll also be covering part of the bachelor party, so we'll be flying out at 7 a.m. We will go to the airport, probably have some cocktails at the bar beforehand because it's like a bachelor party and a festival weekend. Flying straight to San Diego, we drop off our stuff at our hotel, we go to Cutwater Brewery. I think I'm saying that right, Cutwater? Yeah, Cutwater Brewery. We're going to go check out their brewery and whatnot, see what they have going on there. We're going to go straight from there to the Del Mar Racetrack to start covering KAABOO on Friday the 14th. Let me know if you have anything to say, anything going on, whatever it is. I want to hear from you. So that's all I got. But you can follow me on Instagram, or you can follow me and subscribe down below. I'll talk to you later.